Hey there, it's Carrie from Zarmoney Academy. Now that you know how to create an invoice from scratch, let's see how to generate an invoice out of a sales order. Remember, a sales order must be created first and the product and/or service must be paid by the consumer before you create an invoice from the sales order. For more information on sales orders, look for our Zarmoney Academy video on how to set up and create a sales order. Here is a detailed example on how to create an invoice from a sales order. Let's say you have a client that needs an invoice for your products or services and you've already created a sales order. To create that invoice, log into your Zarmoney account to access your dashboard. First, go to the Sales option on the menu drop-down to Sales Order and click Sales Order. Once you're on the Sales List screen, select the customer you've already added. This will take you to the sales order you already created for your customer. Here, you will see all of your customers' information regarding the current sales order. Make sure the transaction number matches with the sales order you're trying to invoice. From there, go to the Action drop-down menu and click Create Invoice. Look over your invoice, making sure everything is correct. Hit Save and Close to complete your invoice. Notice the icons at the top right. Hovering, we see options to email or print invoices. To print your invoice as a PDF, click Print. In this case, we're going to email our invoice, so we click the email icon because we've already included an email address. It populates here, but if you didn't include it, you can always add it. Now you can always blind carbon copy someone like your office accounting department by entering the email address in the BCC line. After you've proofed everything, just click Send to deliver your invoice to your customer. In this module, you learned how to create an invoice from a sales order and send an invoice to your customer. For more training tips, check out our videos in the Zarmoney Knowledge Center. And for more information regarding Zarmoney, visit us at zarmoney.com. Until next time, my name is Carrie, and we'll see you where it counts.